All right, gonna get started. I promised yesterday that I would do this unboxing video, so this is the Hedgehog Hollow unboxing for July, and I'm excited because this is a really fun, bright kit. And you're going to see in just a minute why I'm so excited, because I have some new, fun, cute stamps to play with for the month of July. And they are from Sunny Studio Stamps. This Hedgehog Hollow box is always a favorite of mine. I share my unboxing every month, and so I know it's before July. Hi, Karen. But I am going to probably be okay sharing this because Alexandra has already given a sneak peek of everything in this box, and so I think it's okay. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek because I know that you can already order these online. I've seen the link up, and when you order 1 month, you will just get this July box for July. Or you can order a subscription and then you get some bonuses. So, all right, we're going to get started. I am trying this again, recording with 2 devices, with my phone and with my iPad. So we're going to see if this works out. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Arizona. And I have my windows open. I have, or not open because it's hot. It's going to be over 100 degrees today here. But I do have my shutters open. I have my lighting turned on. And hopefully you guys can see this really well. So, hi everybody. Thanks so much for joining me. We're sharing the July box of the Hedgehog Hollow. And take a look at these cuties right here. These are called Coastal Cuties. And you have 2 little cute girl images. One of them is in this little inner tube and she's got her goggles on her head. This one has a little bucket. Looks like she's going to be building some sandcastles. Hi there, cutie, and some extra little water splashes. This is so cute. Then you have, to go with it, a Over the Rainbow stamp set. So you can see all these sentiments are really cute, like wishing you a rainbow of happiness. Oh, I should probably show you that it comes with this die too. This die says rainbow, and so these work together. So you can do the wishing you a rainbow of happiness. Rainbow appears when we need them the most. You can't have a rainbow without a little rain. I'm over the rainbow for you. When it rains, look for a rainbow. Those types of things. How fun! This is going to be really fun to play with. Super cute little sets. And then it also comes with this Rick Rack border set. Oh, this is so cute. So there's a little wavy line here. Then you have a couple different Rick Racks. This one has some stitching on it. So cute. So that'll be fun to see what those cut out and the differences in those. Hi Dana. Hi everyone joining me. This is the Hedgehog Hollow July box. I'm giving you a sneak peek, but you can already order these online. Now this paper pack is called the Rainbow Bright 6x6 paper. Look at all this beautiful, oh my goodness, rainbow paper. Can you imagine how fun and bright this kit is going to be? Some gingham paper too in a variety of rainbow colors. Can you see all of that? Oh, it's beautiful. It's bright, it's fun, and it is double-sided. You guys, I did not know. Okay, let's just take a really quick peek at these double-sided papers. And of course, my battery is running low again. But look at all these fun papers. Now, there's also in the pack some cardstock for card bases. This is really good weight cardstock, so you can build your cards. And if you're a regular subscriber, you will get this Nuvo glitter accents, and it's called Harvest Moon. So this is your regular subscriber bonus, which is really awesome, and this is beautiful. I'll be showing you this. I probably won't open it now because I'm running out of battery, but I'll be showing you this. But look at this kit. The papers, the rip-rack border dies, over the rainbow set, the rainbow die, and these cute little swimmers. I love it. And Sunny Studio has such fun images. They're fun to play with. So I am going to go probably play with this. This kit is my Hedgehog Hollow monthly subscription. Let's see. Let me show you. For more information, you can go to their website. I think it's on this side. Well, actually, where is that? Anyway, let me just tell you where to go. thehedgehoghollow.com for more information. And I will also be linking to this as I create my products. And this is the July kit, brand new for this month. And so I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing and have a really great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.